Alright guys, so here's what we got going on. I welded the visor to a piece of angle iron here. I still got to grind everything, but then I got another piece of angle iron in here so these two can bolt together. And then this top piece here is connected just with a piece of flat bar, and I'm going to run another one along the bottom after I take the top off to kind of just box it in. But that should allow me to kind of have some kind of a frame up here. And then I'm gonna do the top of the back here too, and then I'll take this whole rig off, flip it up and flip it upside down, and then do the other stuff. Alright, and then what I did for the back is I plasma cutted a piece out for here, and there's a piece of angle iron down here so it'll be able to bolt to the back. And then now I'm going to put in some cross stringers just to hold everything from moving. Alright, so that's kind of the idea. It'll be able to bolt onto this strip, and then it'll have kind of self-tappers running all the way down. It's kind of got some bracing in there and stuff. Kind of thought of an alternate idea. Something to do a little bit different would be to use the top of a truck shell. Like just cut the fiberglass out, and then I could fiberglass it down to these bars and then like rivet it all along this edge. Or silicone it down, either or. But then there's a piece of angle iron on the back here. Should be able to bolt. And all this rough stuff you won't see. But yeah. And then if you brought the fiberglass over, you know, about a ½ an inch, and then put like a foam strip down so that when you sucked it down it sealed, it'd probably be sweet. And then this too, after I got to fill these holes, but then what I'm going to do is, because it's coming out like ½ an inch here, I'm going to cut the edge of the fiberglass so it hugs this visor. And I mean, you can get a toasted shell with smashed out windows or a broken door. You can get one for like 50 bucks, so why not, right? And then you could cut plexiglass windows in it, put 3 little windows in it, probably be sweet. Cheap way of doing it anyways. And then I'm gonna fill all this stuff here, and then probably body work out the pits yet, but yeah, we'll just keep going. I think maybe the next project will be welding in the supports going up the side, now that I got the roof kind of figured out, and then get it so that this section bolts to it as well, and then it'll be nice and strong. Yeah, should be good. And having these in it too will keep the bow shape a little bit better when you take it in and out. And then once it's tech screwed, I can get all the clamps and that out, because then the screws will suck the roof up to the bar. So it's not the prettiest, but remember, it's just a ratty old hot rod, so it'll be all right for what I'm doing. Alright, now that we kind of got this done here, we'll finish the night out just with some filler patches. There's some stuff here I wasn't quite happy with, so just give it to her a couple times. And there'll be some more up here too. There's a couple dents I can see, but get her as smooth as we can. Then I gotta make a patch for here too. That'll be next time maybe. It's coming along pretty good. But I think I'm gonna shut the heat off and go in and maybe sand her another day too. Alright guys, stay tuned.
Ba-da-ba.